Good evening, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to introduce a device that redefines smartphone photography and performance, the Honor 200 Pro. This flagship model, launched in India at 57,999 Indian rupees, is a testament to Honor's commitment to innovation and excellence. Design and display. The Honor 200 Pro boasts a sleek design inspired by Gaudi's Casamila, featuring a 6.78-inch quad-curved OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 4,000 nits, it ensures vibrant visuals even under direct sunlight. The device is available in ocean cyan and black, exuding elegance and sophistication. Performance. Under the hood, the Honor 200 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. This configuration ensures seamless multitasking and smooth gaming experiences. The device runs on macOS 9.0, based on Android 15, offering a user-friendly interface with AI-driven features like Magic Portal and Magic Capsule. Camera capabilities. The highlight of the Honor 200 Pro is its camera system, developed in collaboration with the renowned French photography studio, Studio Harcourt. It features a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom. The device offers specialized Harcourt modes, classic, color, and vibrant, for professional-grade portraits. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 5,200 mAh battery, the Honor 200 Pro supports 100W wired fast charging and 66W wireless charging, ensuring minimal downtime. A quick 5-minute charge can provide up to 9 hours of usage, making it ideal for users on the go. Conclusion. In summary, the Honor 200 Pro stands out as a premium smartphone that excels in design, performance, and photography. It is a compelling choice for users seeking a device that combines aesthetic appeal with cutting-edge technology. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.